Away they go. Number 7, Conqueror's Magic from the outside. My Wife Knows All. Moving up by Darrell Kidlat. Number 2, Racing in fourth, T2 Aru Magalang. Sin Inner and Top Guy running at the tail of the field. Conqueror's Magic. Followed by number 3, My Wife Knows All. Kidlat is running by Darrell. And rounding the far turn, Conqueror's Magic. Followed by Kidlat by Darrell. And on the outside, My Wife Knows All, Tito Aru. As they race the last 450, Conqueror's Magic, number 7 by about 2 lengths. Kidlat running in second by Darrell. And on the outside, My Wife Knows All and Magalang. Conqueror's Magic by about 2 lengths, followed by My Wife Knows All and Magalang is running by Darrell. Conqueror's Magic, My Wife Knows All, Magalang, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be Magalang, My Wife Knows All, Conqueror's Magic, Kidlat, number 2, took fourth.
Okay, 1372 ang